Welcome to my tutorial. I am Shubhamkar Chaudhary. My tutorial's name is Be Mathematified, where you will be mathematified. And these are my numbers: 98301 21361, 98303 21361. Here we will be discussing some very elementary concept, plotting of points into graph very easily. So this is an equation: 4x plus 5y equal to 13. And there are 19 sets of values I need to find. I need to find all integral values. Seems tough, right? No. With some very easy tactics, you can find out in surprisingly less time. Let's see. First thing first, write x and y into opposite directions, opposite sides of the equation sign, like this. Please remember, please be very careful to write this plus. Now, coefficient of x is plus 4. So in the middlemost value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the middlemost value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here, the coefficient of x will go for coefficient of y. This is 4. Please remember to write the plus. Coefficient of y is minus 5. So it will go for x. I will write minus 5. If it is minus, so I have to write plus here, minus here. Now, take the smaller one out of these two. 4 is smaller, so write 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put 1 equal to y and then find if x is coming out to be an integer or not. If I cannot find any integer value of x with these values of y, I can safely say there is no integral pairs. Like x can be integral, y should be fraction in those cases. But chances are rare. Let's see. If I put y equal to 1, what do I get? Minus 5 plus 13 equal to plus 4x. So this comes out to be plus 8. So x comes out to be plus 2. Yes, we are fortunate that in the very first case we are getting it. Sometimes we have to go till 4. Let's check out once again. X equal to 2. 2 into 4, 8. Y equal to 1, 5 into 1, 5, 8 plus 5, 13. Yes, that matches. So our game is done. Now what about all these other spaces? See, in this case this is plus, so values will increase, and here it is minus, so values will decrease. Similarly, for y, the values will decrease here and increase here with this difference. Like if it is plus 2 and it is increasing by 5, so it will go on like and it will decrease by 4, like minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, minus 15, minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31, minus 35. In this case it will decrease by 5. So I will get minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18, minus 23, minus 28, minus 33, minus 38, minus 43. Similarly, it will increase by 4. So it will be plus 5, plus 9, plus 13, plus 17, plus 21, plus 25, plus 29, plus 33, plus 37. Now, if I am wrong, my chances of getting it wrong will be highest in these two cases. So let's see. If I take x equal to plus 47 and y equal to minus 35, let's see what happens. 4 into plus 47 plus 5 into minus 35. Yes, it is coming 13. So if I am getting this correct, all these must be correct. And similarly here, if I can put x equal to minus 43, so it will be something like it will be minus and plus so this is plus 13. Yes, both of them are matching. So we can see that how surprisingly we can find the values in a very short time. So if you want to learn more such innovative, interesting and easy methods to fetch very good marks, you can come to me. And usually